Hello? Hello?
Good evening,
Good, e-
sir.
good
Yeah, good
evening.
evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. What we have discussed in the last class?
So we did question answers.
Is it? And dimensions. What is dimension? What is dimensional analysis? Hello? Nothing is the dimensional analysis. What is the dimensional analysis? All physical quantities we will represent in terms of MLT, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is there? This much time, no one give an answer. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right? Did you understand? What is dimensions?
Representing all physical quantities in the form of MLT.
That is the dimensional. Okay, dimensional formula.
M to the power 0, L to
Yeah,
the
what
power.
is the dimensional formula? You should not say what is the dimensional formula means m to the power 0, L to the power
Physical
0.
quantity P is equal to MLT.
No, I didn't ask you dimensional equation. I asked dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula? To express the given physical quantity, which fundamental physical quantities are raised? Did you remember now? Hello? It is an expression, right? Dimensional formula is an expression. What it is showing? Rajesh, I can't hear your voice.
Sir, I didn't say anything.
Okay, tell me that. What is the dimensional formula?
For expressing any given physical quantity in the form of M.
In the form of MLT. So, in a given physical quantity, to represent the given physical quantity, which fundamental quantities are rising, it shows. That is only dimensional formula, right? Suppose force dimensional formula, m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Kg meter per second square, right? Now, it is the dimensional formula. What it is showing? It is showing that which fundamental physical quantities are raised to represent given quantity. To represent given quantity. That is called dimensional formula. It is an expression. What it is showing? It is showing that which fundamental physical quantities are raised to represent the given quantity. It is called dimensional formula. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
What is dimensional equation?
MLT.
Dimensional equation. Dimensional equation. Anybody? Aditya?
So P is
Srinidhi?
equal to MLT.
I'm asking what is that? Say in the words. Don't say answer like formula. I'm asking what is dimensional equation. When we will call that is an equation. The equating of physical quantity and dimensional formula is called dimensional equation. Is it I explain? The equating of physical quantity and dimensional formula is called dimensional equation. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
or any doubt still?
No, sir.
Now tell what is dimensional formula? What is dimensional formula?
So raising a physical quantity to the form of ml and t.
MLT.
Seeing how much power you have to give so that the physical quantity can be represented as mlt.
Yes, it is an expression. It is an expression. What it is showing? It is showing which fundamental physical quantities are raised to represent given quantity. Okay, that is called dimensional formula. What is dimensional equation?
Equating a physical quantity with
equating.
its dimensional formula.
Yes, that's all. What
Dimension.
is there in that? Don't get any confused. Okay, just listen clearly. Then you can't forget that. Okay, let's see. And some of the like four dimensional constants I told, dimensionless quantities I told, and dimensional variables I explained,
Yes, sir.
dimensionless variables I explained, right?
Yes, sir.
Dimensional constants. What is the meaning? Dimensional constants.
So they do not vary.
Dimensional constants means what is, anybody can tell? Dimensional constant. The name itself it is telling
So
one of the
the
physical quantity, it having dimensional formula and value is constant. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Example,
So 1, 2, 3.
dimensional formula is there. For what is the dimensional formula for 1?
Sir, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg.
It will change. 1, 2, 3. You are saying that 1, 2, 3. That means it is changing. But what is that?
That is constant.
Speed of light. How much?
3 into 10 to the power 5 meters per second.
Per 8 meter per second.
Meter per second. What is the dimensional formula?
Mass
And
0, L1, T minus 1.
Right? So speed of light having dimensional formula or not?
Yes, sir, it has.
And
Yes,
it is
sir.
constant or it will vary?
It is constant.
Constant.
So it having dimensional formula and it is constant. That is called,
Dimensional constant.
that's all.
constant.
And when we are learning the different lessons, you will get that type of some constants, dimensional constants. That time I will ask you, is it dimensional constant or not? Like that I will ask. Okay. Did you understand now? Dimensional constant. The name itself it is telling a physical quantity having dimensional formula and it is constant. That is called dimensional constant. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. What does it mean?
So which does not has a dimension, but it is a
But constant.
Take pi value. How much?
3.14.
Okay, something like that. Dimension for dimensions. What is the dimensional formula for pi?
It
M0,
does not have
L0,
a
T0.
dimension.
Constant.
So no dimensional formula. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I take 1,
It
No
doesn't have a
dimensional formula.
dimension.
is the
Does not
dimensional
have
formula for it?
formula.
1
No,
is 1,
sir.
right? 1 is only 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it 1 will
Yes,
become
sir.
100, 200 like that? Is it? It will vary.
No, sir.
No, 1 is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand now? One more. Dimensionless constant.
Yes, sir.
No dimension but constant. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one.
So velocity.
What will happen?
Velocity. So M is, it can vary.
So 1 meter per second, 2
It
meter
can
per second. It can vary,
accelerate.
but it having
Dimensions.
dimensional formula. No need to say acceleration. Acceleration also 1 meter per second square, 2 meter per second square. We will discuss acceleration, velocity, everything in the next lesson. Okay. And 3 meter per second square. So it is variable, but it having dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula for velocity?
M1,
Huh?
M0, M0, L1, T
Zero,
minus
L1,
1.
and
Yes.
T minus 1.
power minus
Tell
1.
acceleration.
M0, L1 and T to the power minus 2.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Dimensional variables means dimensions dimensional formula is there, it is there, and it is variable. That is called dimensional variable. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth one.
Sir, we are supposed to write this.
You should know about these things.
So you didn't give definition for dimension till now.
Dimension. What is the dimension?
No, you didn't write it on the board. So
Yeah, I didn't write. Okay. Is it I have to write that?
sure, you can just dictate it.
Yeah. Okay. See, next one is dimension less means.
Which does not have direction, but it is a variable.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What is not there?
Dimension.
Dimension is not there, but it is variable. This type of quantities, when we are discussing the next topic, I will ask you which quantity is that. Okay. Just remember, no dimension, but variable. So how many types of dimension?
So what is the example?
Example you want?
Yes, sir.
Suppose coefficient of friction. It will come in the next lesson, because if I explain what is the coefficient of friction, you will get again doubt, right? So I don't want to raise any doubt. When I'm explaining the second lesson, that time I will give you example of this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Refractive index, some things are there. I will give you that time. Just remember, this type of one special quantity is there, that is dimensionless and variables. No dimensional formula, but it will vary. Okay.
Sir, can we represent the supplementary quantities, the radian and steradian, which you gave in the form of MLT? Or is it not possible?
Yeah. What is that? Plane angle, right? Radian.
Yes,
We can't
sir.
write. So angle, theta. Theta, if you
So
take
they come under?
dimensionless variables.
Okay.
Theta can vary 30, 40, 5, 90,
Yes,
like
sir.
that, right?
Yes, sir.
But theta dimension, is there any dimensional formula for theta?
No, sir.
So we
No,
can say
sir.
No,
sin,
sir.
we can say sin theta. Sin theta value can change, right? 0, 30, 45, 90. Am I correct? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're correct.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is there dimensional formula?
No, sir.
No dimensional formula. Why? Because suppose if you take, it is theta. Okay, sin theta, if you take opposite side, something A, B, C, opposite side, AB by hypotenuse, CA. It is also distance. We will measure in meters. It is also distance in meters. Meter will get cancelled. So no unit. So no dimensional formula. But theta is
Okay.
variable.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, now we can say like that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good idea. Who is that?
Srinidhi.
Very good, ma. Good idea. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So dimensional constant. That means, what is the meaning of dimensional constant?
Has dimension and is constant value.
Yes.
Constant.
Dimensionless constant means
Does not have
No
dimension, but
dimension,
is
but
constant.
No
constant.
But
dimension,
constant.
but it is
Yes.
constant.
Dimensional variables.
Has
Has
dimension,
dimension,
value,
but is
variable.
not
Constant and
constant.
it is variable.
Yes. Dimensionless variables.
No
Is not
dimension
constant and
But
does not have
variable.
dimension.
variable.
Good. Did you write?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you have to give the. You didn't give the definition of dimension.
Dimension. Right. Dimensions of a physical quantity. Dimensions of a physical quantity. Dimensions of a physical quantity are the powers. Are the powers to which the fundamental quantities are to which the fundamental quantities are to be raised to represent that quantity. dimensions of a physical quantity are powers to which the fundamental quantities are raised to represent that quantity. That quantity.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? It is just what?
Yes, sir.
Dimension means what?
Yes,
Dimension
sir.
means if you give any physical quantity, if you take any physical quantity to represent that quantity, which fundamental quantities are raised? That is only dimension. Okay? Can I raise?
Yes,
So
sir.
after that, we have to write this, right? Four
Yes.
types of.
Yes. Yes.
So can you wait for 1 minute?
Yes.
Now, what should we give the heading as?
Right? Different types of dimensional.
Okay, sir. Then you have to give dimensional equation and
Yes. Dimensional. Different types of dimensional quantities. Dimensionless quantities. Dimensionless less constant. Dimensional variables. These quantities, physical quantities. Different types of physical quantities. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody, did you remember what is error? Anybody can say error? What is error?
True value minus measured value.
True value
How many
minus
types of errors
measured
are there?
value.
Without turning page, you have to say. How many types of errors are there? Fast.
Instrumental
Two.
error and
Two
instrumental
types of
error and
errors.
systematic
types.
error.
And random.
Two types. Systematic and systematic and random.
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 Okay. And systematic, how many?
Three types.
Leave
Three
that.
types.
What is systematic
Instrumental,
error? What is
uh,
systematic error?
the error which happens in a definite pattern, and we know the cause why that
Yes.
error is
And can you
happening.
remove that?
Yes, it can
Yes,
Yes,
be.
sir.
Okay.
It
Good.
can be removed, sir.
Yes. Yes. Good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see. What are the uses of dimensional analysis? So till now we have discussed about dimensional analysis, right? Now see. Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. What is the principle of homogeneity? It is saying that similar quantities we can add. That means, suppose if I give you 10 kg sugar and 10 kg oil, 10 kg sugar plus 10 kg oil, can you add?
No, sir.
Can you add that?
No, sir.
Why?
Sugar and oil are two different things.
Obviously, right?
Yes, sir.
10 kg sugar plus 10 kg sugar,
Yes, sir. 20 kg sugar.
we can add.
20.
Suppose 10 kg sugar minus 10 kg oil,
No, sir.
No, sir.
we can't. Right?
Yes.
10 kg sugar equal to 10 kg oil. Is it? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Can you
Sir.
equate like that?
No, sir.
Can we equate different quantities?
No, sir. We
No,
can't.
sir. We can't.
It is not possible, right? So what it is saying that similar quantities we can add or we can subtract or we can equate. Got it? What principle of homogeneity?
Yes, sir.
It states that only quantities of same dimension quantities of same dimensions can be added. equated. Any doubt in that line? Just I give an example also. I don't want to give any example. You can find what it is saying, that is correct. Similar quantities having similar dimensional formulas, so that you can add, subtract, or you can do something, or you can equate. Liters minus meters is not possible. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Is
No,
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes.
So one second.
Oh, okay. Same dimensions can,
Can be added.
yes, can be
And
added, subtracted,
equated.
or and equated. Equated. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I was writing it.
Anybody say to him, who is that?
Aditya.
Aditya.
So from where should I say? Like from the starting or?
The principal.
Okay. It states that only quantities of same dimensions can be added, subtracted, and equated.
Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Good, ma'am. Very good. Let's see. Okay. Uses. Basing on the principle of homogeneity, let's see one problem.
So these are properties.
Yes. Problem.
So
This
problems,
problem.
right?
Yes, problem. One problem basing on the principle of homogeneity. This one you have to say, okay. You have to give idea to me how to do that, because you know
So
the
we should
principle of-
write it, right?
Yes, you should write. Whatever the problem I'm explaining, you should write in the notes. Because when you are going to prepare for objective test, then one model sums, you know, right? You can get to know how to do that model. Okay. Now
So
what
we
we
should
have
tell
to,
dimensional formula.
yes, dimensional formula of A by B, we have to calculate, it seems. I don't know how I have to calculate. You have to give idea to me. Solution. Did you write, everyone, did you write the problem first?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is, this problem is basing on what?
Principle of homogeneity.
Principle of homogeneity. What is the
principle.
statement of principle of homogeneity?
It states
Only
that only
quantities-
quantities of same dimensions can be added, subtracted, and equated.
Something, right? Let's see. Can I write this equation like P? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
P is what?
Pressure.
So
Pressure.
equal to, this is what?
Equation.
What is the principle of homogeneity? Come on.
It
Sir,
states
only
only quantities of same
same
dimensions can be
dimensions
added.
can be added,
Added,
subtracted, or
subtracted.
subtracted,
equated.
equated. Now P equal to something they are equated. Now it is pressure. It is what?
This is also pressure.
It's also
Pressure.
pressure, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
similar quantities can be subtracted. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now
Yes,
it is
sir.
what?
This is pressure.
Pressure.
It is what?
Pressure.
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 Pressure minus pressure, you will get what?
Zero. No, no, no.
Pressure minus
No.
pressure, you will get something
Pressure.
pressure, right?
Pressure. Pressure.
Pressure equal to?
Pressure.
Pressure.
Yeah, it is correct only. So everything is pressure only here.
Yes.
Did you understand clearly?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now what they ask? A by?
D.
P.
So A by B, P equal to A by BX. Here A by BX, this total is equal to pressure, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So pressure formula what?
Formula is
Pressure, dimensional formula. Pressure
Dimensional formula.
force by area. Pressure equal
Force
to
by
force by
area.
area.
So
dimensional formula.
M is
M
0.
is
M is 1.
0. M is what?
1
L power?
Minus 1.
minus 1
T power?
0.
Come on,
1
force formula. Force
M
dimensional
into A.
formula.
Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2.
Minus 2 equal to A by
A
B.
by B.
And we want only A by B. What is 1 by X? What is X?
Length.
What is the dimensional
Length.
formula for length?
1 by L.
Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
I think somebody didn't understand. Deepika?
Yes, sir.
Deepika, did you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Or any confusion?
No, sir, I understand.
Right? Now we want only A by B, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to do?
L should go
Transpose
to
it. L should be transposed.
So you will remain with. It is L down. If it goes up,
Multiplied.
let's see.
multiplication.
M on L power clear. Minus 1, T power minus 2 and
Into
L equal to A by
A
B.
by
Am I
B.
correct?
Yes, sir.
L
Yes,
power
sir.
1, L power minus 1. What will happen?
Will cancel.
L to the power 0.
L to the
L
power
to the
0,
power
which
0
is 1.
is 1. Right. So A by B equal to how much?
M power 1, L power
M
0.
power 1 by T power minus 2.
T power minus 2.
Is it am I clear or any doubt? I don't know. Somebody is not saying properly. Aditya,
yes, sir.
did you understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Who is that? Srinidhi,
Sir, why did we take L to the LHS?
Yes, sir.
what is that?
Why did we take 1 by L to the LHS as L?
Because we want what we want.
Just
by
A
B.
by B. Oh, okay, sir.
We want
Only
by
A by B,
just
not
A
1
by
by
B,
L.
right? When
Yes,
we
sir.
want A by B, just we have to send the remaining term to left hand side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, my
Yes,
question.
sir.
I am giving my own question. Who is that? Who is that?
What, sir?
Somebody asked some question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, I am giving you question. Find out C by B. I don't want to solve that. Find out C by B dimensional formula.
Just a second, sir. I have to write this.
1
Right.
minute, I will
First
write
write
this.
this. First write this. Did you understand the method or not? Rajeshri,
Sir?
did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Navika? Navika?
Excuse me, sir.
So is it
Ashish.
M power 1?
M power 1. Yes, obviously. M power 1 you can write, or if you don't write also, that is M power 1 only.
Excuse me, sir.
Ashish.
Sir, why did we equate P is equal to A by BX over there?
Because we want A by B.
Okay, so
Is
you have to
pressure.
take only that.
Listen, that's what principle of homogeneity you should remember. We can equate similar terms. So it is equal to this, right? If it is
Yes,
pressure,
sir.
it is also pressure. And we can subtract only similar terms. So total pressure, that means it is also pressure and it is also pressure.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Sir, I think I got for C by B.
You got? Okay, wait.
So,
Wait.
yeah.
Some other
So
persons
what
also
should
they will
we-
do. Trishla,
Yes, sir. So what should we find the next one?
next one you have to find out. I want C by B dimensional formula.
Okay, sir.
I think everyone written this. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I want now C by B. Actually, that question is not there, but just I'm asking you.
So C by B is m power 1.
Is it? P equal to C T square by BX. Clear?
Yes,
What is
sir.
the P dimensional formula? M1,
P
L
minus
M1,
Minus
L1,
one.
L1,
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 L minus
is it?
1,
L
L
power
minus
minus
1,
T minus
L
one.
minus 1, T power minus 2.
T
Okay,
power
equal
minus
to
2.
C by B. This C
into
by
T
B is the
square
constant. T square means T power
2.
T power minus
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 2.
2. Sorry. C power 2
2.
by L.
L.
Now we want only this, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
we want this, what we have
Yes,
to
sir.
do?
So we have to take T square by L to the LHS.
So maybe that equation will be like this. So correct or not, check once. M1 L power 1 T power minus 2 L by T square. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is goes, it will multiple, right? It is product. If it is goes, division. It will become ultra.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A plus B equal to A into B. If I want to send that B,
So it's not seen.
That part is
That
not.
part is
yeah. Wait. Let's see. A plus B equal to AB. If I want A plus B by B. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because
sir.
right hand side it is multiplying. If you send to left hand side, it will be
Divided.
divided. Correct. In that formula I have written. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if it is A by B. If I want A by B. If I want A, what I have to do?
Sir, we will take.
multiply B.
Yes,
We
sir.
will take B left hand side. So that B will multiple, right? With the
Multi-
A plus B. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Same thing I written. Now see, what is the dimensional formula? M1,
L minus 1.
M1, L,
L,
Minus
tell
one
me.
will cancel.
Minus
L cancel, right?
L will
L
get
gets
cancelled.
cancelled.
Yeah, one more.
And
So T
T
power
minus
minus 4.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
T
Minus
power
4.
minus
T to
4.
the power minus 4.
Yes,
equal
sir.
to C by
B.
B.
like
B.
that. Like that we have to do.
Then we can take B. No, we want C. Okay, sir.
Clear? Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Yeah. So basing on the, so you should remember principle of homogeneity. It states that only similar dimensional similar quantities only we can add, subtract or equate. Basing on that method, I calculated. Again here A by Bx I written, C T square by Bx. I can write like that. We know that, right? So, and similar quantities only we can subtract. If it is pressure, it is also pressure. Why it is a pressure? Because P equal to, we are equating. When we are equating, if it is pressure, it is also pressure. If it is pressure, pressure minus pressure, something you will get some pressure. So pressure equal to pressure, like that. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Now see. Right.
Another problem.
Now uses of dimensional analysis.
Okay.
Uses of dimensional analysis. Till now we have discussed about dimensions, right? So what is the use? First one. to check the correctness of a given equation. To check the correctness of a given equation means, suppose if they have given any equation, is that equation is correct or not, we can check it seems. Okay, how we have to correct, let's see. What is this? P of H means?
Principle of homogeneity.
Okay,
Unity.
I told you, right? I don't write full names. You should write. In the first class itself, I told you. Principle of homogeneity. Based on principle of homogeneity, we can check it seems. I'm going to give one question. Check that dimensionally that is correct or not. We have to check. Let's see. Can I give example?
Yes, sir.
Some problem on it. S is equal to ut plus half
Half
a
AT square.
Yes, come on.
Second equation of motion.
Yeah, very good. Second equation of motion in 9th class, it is there. I know.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
come on.
sir.
Now, what is S here?
S is the distance.
S is distance.
U
S is-
is initial speed.
Okay,
T is
displacement.
time. Distance.
Displacement. U is what?
Initial
speed.
velocity. Initial velocity.
Okay.
Initial.
T is time.
T is time.
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 A is
A is
acceleration.
acceleration.
A is acceleration.
Acceleration. So, they have given like this, right? So, is it correct or not?
That's correct.
Check. Because what is the principle of homogeneity states?
To check
That it states only quantities of same dimensions can be added, subtracted, or equated.
Now, S is equal to ut plus half its square. S is what?
Distance.
displacement.
Displacement or distance. And total also?
It is also distance or displacement.
Displacement, right? Then it is what?
This whole is equal to S. I mean,
Yeah, right. It total is
is-
displacement, right? So it
Yes,
is what?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Distance.
Distance or displacement. It is what?
Distance.
We can add similar quantities only, right?
Yes,
So if
sir.
it is distance, it is also distance. Distance plus distance, you will get distance only.
Distance.
Distance plus distance, you will get mass or what?
No, sir. Distance.
Right?
only.
So like that. Now check that correct or not. Dimensionally, it is correct or not. You have to check. Okay, na? First, LHS equal to dimensional formula. LH side dimensional formula. S is equal to M
M0.
L T
M0.
power.
0.
Right? It is my LH side. RHS. First, I will take only this quantity. Right? What is the dimensional
sir.
formula for velocity?
Velocity is M0. L1.
L1 and
T minus 1.
And T minus 1.
Again T.
1 by T.
1 by T.
What?
T
T.
minus
T is
1.
T. T is only T.
Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now how much will you get?
UT is equal to M0. L is
1.
1.
And T is
T is 2.
T.
Is 2.
T is 0. T is 0.
Which is
Now
1.
it is equal to this, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is the displacement, is also
Equal.
Displacement.
that is only
Displacement.
displacement. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So correct it is. Next, my step.
Half AT square.
Half AT square.
Half 80 square. So half, it is a numerical number. For numbers, there is no dimensional formulas. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
I don't want to write anything for the numbers. Now a t square. Dimensional formula for acceleration?
M power 0.
M power M0.
L power 1.
L power 1. T power minus 2.
Minus 2.
Power minus 1.
Again t square.
T square is T square.
T
What will happen?
m power 0, L
Zero,
power
L
1, T
power
power
1.
0.
Power 1 T power
L
0.
power 1, T power 0.
It
Same.
is equal to. It is equal to
Yes, sir.
This
Hence,
LHS equal to RHS.
RHS, hence.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one of the drawback for the dimensional analysis, we can't write any dimensional formula for numbers. That is drawback. Okay. Some of the
Yes,
failures
sir.
also will be there, right? When there is a success, some failures also are there, right?
Yes, sir.
So it can't explain anything about the physically this relation is not correct. Physically it is correct,
No, sir.
No,
but
sir.
dimensionally,
no, sir.
Yes,
Dimensionally,
sir.
it's correct.
Dimensionally, it's correct, sir.
dimensionally we can say that the equation is correct or not. Physically we can't say by using dimensional analysis. That is the one of the failure. Okay, limitation, failure, whatever it may be. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hmm. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For you, homework.
Okay, sir. So can we do it now itself on our own?
Okay, but we have one more topic. Some topic is there. That's the reason I should explain. Just you have to write and after you have to do. What
Okay,
is
so
V
we'll do
here?
it fast. V is final velocity.
A is
U is initial,
acceleration.
U is initial velocity. So
I
U
written-
minus AT.
I written. Is correct or
Okay.
not? You have to check.
Okay, sir.
You
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity.
A?
A, acceleration.
Acceleration. And T is time.
Yes. That's what.
So can we do it now fast?
You can.
Okay, sir. Just 2 minutes. So should we take it as minus 80 when we are taking it?
I don't say anything. Just
So for dimensional formulas, should we take it as minus 80 or only 80?
80. 80,
Okay,
yeah.
sir.
That I don't say. If I say, you will do, right? You should think now. What I said to you. Only dimensionally we have to check. Physical things we can't, right?
No, sir.
Minus, plus, whatever it is there, we don't want that. And if it is the velocity, it is also?
Velocity.
It is also?
Velocity.
We can remove velocity minus velocity only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So done.
Sir, it is
Ah.
dimensionally correct.
It is dimensionally correct. Okay. V is equal to U plus AT, actual original formula. If it is U minus AT also, dimensionally it is correct. Okay, now let's see. One more.
Yes, sir. It's dimensionally correct.
One problem, homework. Okay, na? This you can't do now. Later you have to try to do that. Now, whatever I'm writing in the form of statement, that statement maybe if you don't know, no problem. Okay, you will learn in the first year concepts. Okay, just write that.
So is this a question?
What is that?
Is this a question?
Yeah, it is question problem. Homework.
So what do you mean by van der Waals
That's what I told you.
equation?
Whatever the lines you are getting here, just you don't want about that. Okay? Why? Because the topics you learn in the first year. When I'm explaining, I will tell you. Okay? Just you have to remember the what we want. We want dimensional formulas. So you have to see the formulas only. Remaining terms, you don't need to remember that. Okay?
Now, will we learn this in chemistry
Okay, sir.
or physics?
Chemistry, in physics also you will learn that.
So both.
Yes, both. But not now. There is a time.
So small n, right?
Yes.
So you wrote A, B, and C are constants, but there's no B and C. No, C is not there.
A, B, C.
C is not there.
C is not there, but A and B is constants.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, so n moles of a real gas, in sense n is also a numerical
Number,
value, right?
number. It is a number.
Okay.
And
And
T is
R
absolute temperature.
constant in the sense R is also a number.
R is also a number.
So A, B, and N are constants.
Yes.
You have to find dimensional formula for AB.
A, B. First, you have to find out dimensional formula for A. You have to find out dimensional formula for B. You can find out very easy. NRT here, everything is constant. Okay. Remember that. It's totally is constant. I'm giving a hit. It is constant. N constant, R constant, T also constant. Take that. Now prove.
So not now, no?
Not now. Just try it. Okay. Just try it. If you don't know, I will explain. That is secondary.
So
Deepika,
what is n?
N number. It is number just. Number of moles. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. R, molar constant. T is temperature. Take constant. So everything this side is constant. Now you can solve very easily. No doubt in that. What you know? Principle of?
Homogeneity.
Do you know principle of homogeneity?
Yes,
Basic
sir.
on that only we can find
Yes,
out
sir.
dimensional formula for constant quantities, right? Any
Yes,
constant
sir.
if they have given dimensional formula we can find by using principle of homogeneity only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, is it P plus R by A square or V by A square?
P plus V ma, it is V. V is volume.
Okay, sir.
There is no R here. V is volume. Now you can solve very easily. You can solve. I know that. Can I?
Just a second,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm writing the question.
So V is also constant here.
V volume. I given no. Volume is
Okay,
not
sir.
constant. Only this side terms are constant and A and B is constant, but we have to find out A and B dimensional formula. First you can find for A, after you can find for B.
Okay, sir. So is this a real correct equation?
Sorry. Very sorry. Very sorry. A by V square. Sorry. A by V square. A by V square. Now we can find out.
So is this the real equation or?
Actually it is real equation of gas. So
Okay,
when we are learning about thermodynamics, we will learn about This one, okay? In even chemistry also, you will get to know what is van der Waals equation. Moles to measure the gas molecules, okay? Temperature, we know that. Here T is that absolute temperature, but I written as a temperature. So absolute temperature, constant. R constant, N constant. So P plus A by V square into V minus B. Find out A. After find out B, then you will get answer. Can I?
Yes, sir.
One more I will tell you. One more use. Second use. What is the first use of dimensional analysis? What is the first use of dimensional analysis?
So to
Check
check
correctness of given
Check the-
equation.
Yeah, how will you check? By using what? What is your weapon?
Principle of homogeneity.
Yeah, that is only one of the weapon to you to check that equation is correct or not. What is the statement of principle of homogeneity?
Only
Sir, only quantities of same
with like
dimensions can be like
dimensions.
Yes.
Added, subtracted, or
subtracted.
Yes. To convert one system of units to another system of unit. It is very easy, that you know already, but I don't explain how we have to write now. Simply I will tell you. Suppose kg meter per second square. Do you know about this?
Yes, sir.
Convert into, it is one system. Which system it is?
Sir,
MKS.
MKS.
Am I correct?
Yes,
Convert
sir.
into CGS. If I ask you kg, how
Newton.
will you convert?
Sir,
Gram.
gram,
How many? 1 kg equal to how many grams?
1000
1000 grams.
1000 grams.
10 power 3 gram
into
Meter.
centimeter.
1000. Sorry,
Into
centimeter.
10 to the power 2. 10
Yeah,
to the
10
power
to the power
2.
of 2. What?
Centimeters.
Very good.
Centimeter.
Second square.
Meters by second square.
Second square.
Second square only. So now 10 to the power of 5 gram
Gram
centimeter
centimeter
per
by
second.
second square.
So 1 kg meter per second square is equal to 10 to the power of 5 gram centimeter per second square.
Second
We can
square.
convert like that easily.
Yes, sir.
We no need to use a dimension analysis to convert. Very easily you can convert this. Okay. So this question they won't ask. That's why directly I converted. Directly you can convert easily. Suppose joule, kg meter square per second square. Which unit it is? Which system of units?
MKS.
MKS. So it is also called. It is also called
Joule.
kg meter per second square. Unit for what?
Kg meter square by second square.
Kg meter square by second square. Unit for what? Kg meter per second square. Unit for what?
Force.
Force. Very good. It is unit for force into displacement.
Force into displacement.
What is the force into displacement?
Work done.
Yes. Force into displacement is work. Work, how will you measure? What is the unit?
Joule.
Joule.
Work or energy also. Both are same. Both having same units. Work and energy both having same units. Kg meter per second. Did you understand? Because force is kg meter per second square into displacement into m. So you will get only this thing, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Right? Convert into CGS.
So the kg meter per
CGS,
second. Because
10 to the power 3 grams
Yes.
into 10 to the power
4
4,
centimeter
4 centimeters
Centimeters.
by
Centimeters.
square.
by
By.
second square.
Now
So
total.
10 to the power 7 gram centimeter second square by second square.
Now kg meter square per second square is also called
Joule.
Joule.
gram centimeter square per second square is also called
Joule.
Sir, ERG.
CGS unit for work is ERG, and SI unit for work is Joule. No confusion, nothing. That you know already. Formula, if you know, we can write the dimensional formula. Once if you know the dimensional formula, or once if you know the units, that units we can convert to one more system of units. Now how you have converted. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Aditya Murthy,
Yes, sir.
any doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Your voice is very low. Ashish, Ashish,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Deepika,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No.
Srinidhi,
No, sir.
Rajeshri,
Sir,
any
I will
doubt?
repeat it.
Tanya,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No.
Okay. Vaibhavi,
No doubt, sir.
Trishla,
No doubt, sir.
Daphne, 11. That's it. Okay. What is the second use of dimension analysis?
To convert one system of units to another.
Third one. To derive the equations. To derive the equations showing the relation between different physical quantities. Different physical quantities. Okay, just one example I will give you how to solve. Now I'm going to say, listen clearly this. One sum, if you understand clearly, then that type of sums you can do. If you don't understand the first sum, you can't understand. That's why anytime when I'm saying the first sum, first listen clearly. Sir will explain one more sum, so we can listen that time. Don't feel like that. Just listen. First step onwards, you should listen. What is the third use of dimensional analysis?
So what's the question?
The equation showing the relation between different physical quantities.
So we can derive the relations. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Right? That is the equation, right?
Yes, sir.
V is equal to u plus at. That is also relation. So that type of relations we can derive, it seems. So see the question. Problem based on this. Important method. To convert, they won't ask. Easily you will convert. Without dimensional formulas also you can convert. But it is little bit important. Let's see. First question. For a particle to move in circular path or orbit, for a particle to move in circular orbit uniformly centripetal force is required.
That's a problem, right?
Yes, centripetal force is required, which depends which depends
So are centripetal force and centrifugal force the same?
no centripetal force, the force which is acting towards the center, centripetal. Centrifugal, fugal means
It is
feeling.
against.
Okay,
Okay.
it is not true, it is the feeling. Centrifugal is feeling force. Imagine it is outward the circle.
Okay.
Okay na? So centripetal
Yes.
is real force, it acts toward the center. Centrifugal is feeling, we will feel like that actually.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Don't worry, question is very big, but answer procedure is very very small and easily you can understand. I know that. Question little bit big, but answer is very easy.
So what did you write after terms?
After
Terms. Last line.
centripetal, express centripetal force in terms of these quantities. In terms of these quantities. These quantities.
So what is IMP?
Important is important method.
Okay.
Yeah, method is very important. This type of sums they can ask you. Not only one question, they will ask this type of model. How to solve this model, I'm going to explain to you. One model you should understand very clearly, then remaining you can solve. One, I will give you homework. Can I explain now?
Yes, sir.
Let's see.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
What is the third use of dimensional analysis?
Sir, to derive the equation that shows the relation between different physical quantities.
Yes, it will give the relationships. Now, they didn't give any formula, right? But we are going to derive that relation. What is the relation between centripetal force, mass, velocity, radius? We are going to derive one equation we are going to get now. One formula we are going to get now. Okay?
Sir, what is centripetal force?
The force which is acting towards the center. If any body is moving in the circular path,
Okay.
center one force will act, right?
Yes, sir.
That force is called centripetal force.
Okay, sir.
So, for example, the merry-go-round.
Yeah, you can say that. Earth revolving around the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Okay, let's see. Now, first what you have to do, centripetal force is required, which depends. So centripetal force is depending on what?
Mass, velocity, and
So
radius.
I will write
Yes.
like first step, it is depends. They have given it depends. So force is directly proportional to mass, velocity, and radius. Here, what is the terms are there? We don't know. So A, I will take how many times this mass should increase to get this centripetal force? We don't know. So A, it is constant, B, and it is C. Why I have written directly? It depends. Depends means force increases when mass is increases. That is the first one. And force increases when velocity is increases. Force increases when radius increases. So that force is depending on these three factors. If it is 1, if it is 2, if it is 3, from equation 1 and 2 and 3, we can write like this. Did you understand that step? It depends. Yeah, it depends. Force is directly proportional to mass. That means depends means we have to write like that. We can't write F is equal to ma. It is not equal. Just it depends. It depends means what will happen? If it is increase, it is also increases. If it is decrease, it will decrease. But both are not equal.
So what is A, comma B and A, B and C?
They are constant. How many masses we required to equate this?
Okay.
Do we know? We don't know now, right? Like
No, sir.
dimensions. We know, right? The dimensions. MLT.
Yes.
Yes,
M
sir.
power A, L power B, L power C, right? Like that. Constants. Just I given some constants. Every time you have to write like that. Okay? Can I?
But sir, velocity is not a
Sir, just a
fundamental
second.
quantity, right?
Come on, come on. What is that? Again. Srinidhi.
So velocity is not a fundamental quantity, right? So why are we
So
writing
one
it like
minute, just a minute, okay? Just. Yes, velocity is not a fund. Here, we don't want it is fundamental physical quantity or derived physical quantity. One line they have given, that line is centripetal force is depends on these factors. That's what I written. They
okay,
given that. So we have to write. That's all. We
okay,
have
sir.
to see what relation this velocity will get with that force. Which force now we are calculating?
Centripetal
Yes, that centripetal force depends on what?
mass, velocity, and radius.
That's all.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So mass, velocity, and radius I given. And can I write this equation like F equal to K M power A V power B R power C? Can I write like that? This K is what?
Yes, sir. Constant.
Yes, constant. Which constant? Proportionality constant.
Constant.
Can I write like that?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
just I written like that. Leave that. Now see, look at this clearly. What I'm going to write. Can I?
Yes, sir.
You understand my first step? When they have given something is depends on, if they given to you depends, then we have to write in this form. Okay, clear? First step.
Yes, sir.
Aditya. Deepika.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Deepika.
Yes, sir. So what is the second thing as from the F is equal to K? Yeah.
See, it is not equal to this, right? Now, just force increases when these terms are increasing. Force decreases when these terms are decreasing. It is not equal to this. So, to equate, I written F equal to K. In this proportional place, I written K. This is called proportionality constant. Constant. Remaining terms as usual. Clear?
Yes,
Deepika?
sir. Yes, sir.
Just to suppose, see, actually F is equal to not MA. Do you know that? F is directly proportional to MA. F is equal to KMA. Here they have considered a K equal to 1. If K equal to 1, F is equal to MA, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Here
sir.
also same, like that. So this K is nothing but proportionality constant. Am I clear? First step.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, it is equal to this. That means principle of homogeneity we know. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we will do that. What is the fourth dimensional formula? Second step. What is the fourth dimensional formula?
Mass into acceleration. So M is 1. So and L is 1. T is -2.
Sorry. Equal to K is constant. Leave that. Okay. K is constant, right? m power a. M power a, that means m power 1 whole power a. Can I write like that?
Yes, sir.
M is mass, right?
Yes, sir.
Velocity,
V power 1 the whole power p.
that means no dimension. In terms of dimensions I'm writing. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Velocity dimension formula written. I didn't write anything new. Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Deepika,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
clear, right?
Yes.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
you are not speaking today. I don't know what happened to you. Be active, Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's see. Now, here what will happen? What we have to write here? Trishla,
Yes, sir.
what we have to write?
Sir, you have to write it in the form of
Dimension, right? Radius dimension formula what?
M,
sir m.
L.
Radius is nothing but distance, right?
Yes, sir. So it's just L.
L.
That's all. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now look at that. M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. Now see what I'm going to write. M power A, can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
L power B, T power
T
minus
power minus B.
L power C,
C. Yes, sir.
can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M1, L1, T power minus 2, M power A, L power.
L power BC.
P plus C.
Yes,
B
very
plus
good.
C. B plus C. Sorry.
C, yeah.
Yes.
And T power,
Minus
Min-
B.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, LHS equal to RHS, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
right?
Yes,
A
sir.
equal to,
A is 1.
obviously. And now we are going to see what we have to
B
do.
is equal to 2.
2.
No, B plus C equal to
1.
B
B
plus
plus
C
C is
equal to
1.
next
1,
time.
but then minus B is equal
Yeah,
to
minus
minus
B
2.
equal to
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
B is
cancel.
equal
B
to
is
2.
equal to
B
2.
equal to
So
2.
B is equals to
Then
2.
C is
And then
C is
equal
minus 1.
minus 1. Yeah.
to, equal to minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir. No,
Now
Yes,
see
sir.
what I'm writing. It is my first equation, right?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's fine. Now F equal to K M A, how much?
1.
Yeah, 1 I written.
L is
T
2.
how much?
2.
2.
Right? I written 2. R how much?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So F is equal to K M power 1 V square by R. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1, R power minus 1, that means 1 by R.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is the formula for centripetal force. Over. That is the formula. Really, that is the formula. Real formula for centripetal force is K mv square by R.
So,
Understand?
sir, this is like dimensional derivation.
Yes, dimensional derivation. By using the dimensions, we will derive the formula. And what is the relation between F, M, V, R means F is equal to K, M, V square by R. That is the relation. Clear or any doubt?
Clear, sir.
See, step by step. First, whatever they are giving, if they say depends, F directly proportional to M power A, V power B, L power, something, whatever the letters they are giving, that. After, we have to write the dimensional formulas. And A, B, C, like that you have to keep. After, just multiple inside. You will get this. After, if M is here, M also here, M also here, if it is there, M power A plus B plus C, like that. Here only one M is there. So M I written. Here L is there and L is there. So L power B plus C I written. T power minus B. That's all. After written this, left hand side equal to right hand side. A equal to 1. B plus C equal to 1. Right. So you will get A, B, C values. That A, B, C values substitute in the equation 1. If you get the equation 1, then equation 1 you have to arrange, you will get that formula. Any doubt?
No, sir. Clear,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Sir, after C is equal to -1, I didn't understand how we got that formula.
Yeah. F is equal to K M1 V square R power -1, right?
Yes, sir.
So this means
Okay, we found the value of A1, then you have to just replace.
yes. Just A formula it is the first equation, right?
Yes, sir.
A how
So
much?
just replace.
1. B how much?
1.
2. C equal
2.
to
-1.
-1. Just we substituted that. After
Okay.
substituting, we are rearranging. So we arranged, we got this formula. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt? This
No,
clear?
sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. Almost we completed lesson. Only small topic is there. In the next class, I will complete that. And some of the problems I'm going to explain. Then first lesson completely over. Okay?
So it's a very big chapter.
Yes, sir.
Enough. Because you are saying you are doing very well. Simply you are saying answers. You are not you are not lazy. I hope you are doing very, very well. Each and every question when I'm asking, everyone is giving response. It's nice.
Sir, should we write this?
Yeah, you should write that because one of the model summit is. Now one model I'm going to give you, that is homework. That you have to solve. I will see how many members will you solve.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand the method one by one?
Yes, sir.
Step?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Now, if they give anything, you will solve. Let's see. Can I?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Wait, sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
So this is the actual formula for
Yes. Yeah.
centripetal
Actually,
force.
centripetal force formula we can write. See, FC can write centripetal force to remember mv square by r.
So we can even write it like F is directly replacing K with proportional sign. We can write it as F is directly proportional to M1 U2 by R.
mv square by square. We have to call that square.
Okay, so M1 U square by R.
Let then you have to write here. Let K equal to 1. That's all. No
Okay,
problem.
sir.
Yeah. K is 1 only in force.
So it's always 1.
Yeah.
Always 1.
Yes, we have to take 1.
So can it ever be like 2 or something?
We can't take. I will tell you why it is not. Okay. The next lesson I will tell you. Can I?
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Homework for you now. So like that, if I give one sum, you have to solve so many methods on that. So many problems you have to solve. Then you can remember very easily. See that next sum.
Sir, even the next sum is so long to write.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay,
So
sir.
longer than this.
Not long, little bit. Just very small. Derive an expression for the time. They are asking expression for time. Okay, time formula. You have to derive time period. Time period is nothing but time. Okay, I
Number
will
of
tell you.
oscillations by number of
Yes. Oh,
seconds.
yeah, it is there in soundless also, right?
No, so sound has been cancelled for us.
But it is there in the which lesson?
So last year's
Yeah,
that
8th class it is there.
that vibration thingy.
Yes. So of a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum of mass m. Now you can understand what they are giving. Length L at a place where acceleration due to gravity is nothing but acceleration. Okay, gravity is g.
Gravitational pull of Earth.
Yes, so acceleration, what are the what is the unit for acceleration? Same unit even for acceleration due to gravity also. Acceleration meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity also meter per
Second
second
square.
square.
Second square.
Now you can understand clearly. Derive an expression for time period of simple pendulum of mass, yes, of mass, length and g. So what is the first step? Will you write? Tell me.
So you have to represent time period in
M
dimensional
power
formula.
0,
Right, first,
time is
what is the
equal
first
to
step?
M
Tell me.
power 0.
So
Huh.
m power
Time.
0, L power 0, T power 1.
Time,
What is that?
time is
No, no,
directly
first step. That
proportional
is not
to
the first step. Yeah, first step is
Time directly proportional to m
mass to the power a, m to the power
mass
a,
m
very
a,
good.
L
L
to
b,
the power b,
L to the power of b.
G
g
to the
to
power
the power
c.
c.
To the
Very
power
good.
C.
What is the next step?
T directly proportional
M
to
power 0. Okay. K
K
M a
m a
M
L
L
b,
L to
the
the
power
power
G
G
c.
to the
Okay,
power
after
C.
after you have to solve. I don't say
Okay,
remaining.
sir.
Enough.
So this chapter is almost over.
Yeah, almost over. Next class, I'm going to explain the few important sums, methods. Method of sums are there. That sums I will explain, and combination of error. One small topic is there that will take only just 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will explain some problems to you. After, I will check your each and every person notes, whichever the topic. If I ask that topic, you should show to me.
So through video.
Yes, now I can see your notes and all.
Also,
Yeah.
or you have to scan and send.
No need. Just I will see that.
Okay.
If I ask Deepika, open your video, on your video, so she come to video, then which topic I will ask, that topic she has to show to me. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
that Van der Waals question, I tried solving it. Can you just say whether my answer is correct or wrong?
Van der Waals question.
Yes,
me.
sir. We have to find the value of a and b, and then we are supposed to multiply it, right?
Very good. Yeah. A, how much you got?
A I got as m power 1, L power 5, T power minus 2.
Awesome. Very good. Next, B.
And B I got m power 0, L cube, and T to the power 0.
Correct. Exactly correct. AB.
AB I got m power 1, L power 8, T power minus 2.
Awesome. Did you understand that method?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Super. So when we are finding the any constants, we have to use principle of homogeneity. When we are deriving, we have to remember whatever the till now what I said. And
So,
if you want to tell me.
only 3 uses of dimensional analysis.
Yes, the 3 uses are enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Limit. So failure already I explained to you. What is the first failure?
We cannot calculate the dimensional formula for constants.
Numbers like constants.
Numbers.
We can't write, right? And it is not applicable for trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, exponential functions. Trigonometric functions, can you write the dimension formula?
No, sir.
We can't write, right?
No,
So
sir.
it is not useful for it's not applicable for trigonometric functions and logarithmic functions. Okay. Okay. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Once recap what we have discussed till now in the units and dimensions. Units, I explained, right? How many types of units are there? How many types of units are there? Fast.
3 units, 3 types.
Wrong.
Sir,
How many types of units
traditional
are there?
and modern.
How many types of units are there? Srini?
Traditional and modern. 2.
Yes, 2. And traditional, how many types of units are there?
CGS, MK,
3.
CGS,
Modern,
MKS,
how many are there?
1. SI.
1 SI.
Okay. And set of fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental physical quantity set. Do you have idea? Fundamental physical quantity set.
7 are there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Set if I give, which set is fundamental physical quantity set? Can you find that?
Yes. Yes, sir.
If I give one set, in that set, one quantity should
The
be depending on other quantities.
yes.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
That's clear. Yeah. What is the dimensional uses also? I told, how many dimensional uses are there? Dimensional analysis uses?
3.
Dimensional analysis. First one?
First one is
To check the
First.
correctness of a given equation.
Second one?
to
Second,
check the
No. To convert one system of units to one more system. Third one? Fast.
to derive the equations by
Yeah,
the
to derive the
relation between
relationship
the,
between the different quantities. We can derive the relation. Okay.
yes, sir.
Did you remember in the last class we did some 2 sums, right? We have calculated first mean value.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
After what we have calculated? Delta x. First we have to calculate mean. After we have to calculate delta x. What is the delta x?
Absolute error.
Yeah, absolute error. What is delta x bar? This is
Mean
the first step.
absolute error.
First step we have to calculate mean value. Second step we have to calculate
Absolute error.
absolute error.
Absolute
Third
error.
step what we have to calculate?
Absolute error.
Absolute error.
What is the
Mean
absolute
absolute error.
What is the formula?
Sir,
Delta x plus
is equals to delta
Delta x1 plus delta x2
delta
plus
x2
y a number of
x.
number
No,
of
1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Correct. Am I clear?
yes,
sir.
What
yes,
is the fourth one?
sir. Relative errors or
Can we write?
fractional errors.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What is this?
this is
Fractional, huh? Fractional or relative?
Relative error.
Right?
percentage error.
Percentage error.
5 steps. Understand, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right? Remember, like a stepwise. Once if they have given errors, suppose 1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, like that. If they have given, first what you have to do? First what we
Sir,
have
we
to
have
do?
to find
Mean.
the accurate value.
Mean. First we have to find out mean. After what we have to do?
Absolute error.
Absolute error.
After?
Mean
Mean
absolute.
What is the formula for
absolute
absolute
error.
error? First, what is the formula for absolute error?
So delta
Mean minus 1.
delta x is equals to mean value minus observed value.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
many?
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values you will get here. Next, mean absolute error. You
Mean
know,
absolute error.
if you get here 1, that is delta x1. If you get here one answer, that is delta x2.
X2.
That we will substitute and we'll get. After this, you know, real two. After this one. Did you
Yes,
understand clearly? Or any doubt?
yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Okay.
No
Yeah.
doubt, sir.
We will meet in the next class. Now I have second year. So take care.
Okay.
And
Yes,
you are
sir.
doing well. Do like that. Okay.
Thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yes,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Value.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Srinidhi.
So can we leave?